Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I'm sharing an easy and unique idea of making garden lawn ornament, which are these cute flying butterfly stakes, and you can decorate your pots and lawn using these ornaments. So let's start making these. I'm recycling and using old DVDs for this purpose. First I'm dipping DVD in the hot water for 2 to 3 minutes so that it become easy to cut DVD and remove the transparent part out of DVD like so. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for my upcoming videos. Dipping DVD in hot water make it easy to cut and make it easy to separate the transparent part from the silver part. I'm using transparent part for making butterflies. I'm using Acrylic colors and first making the design of the butterfly using black outliner which come along with the colors. After completing the design, it is important to let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm start filling the color using glass color. First filling it with the red color. Giving some shades of yellow. I'm randomly filling the color in the wings of the butterfly. Sometimes bubbles may form while filling the color, so it's important to break the bubble by pricking it with a needle or a pen. In the similar way, I fill all the wings by mix and matching different shades. Another way of making design on the DVD is first to make design on the paper and sticking the paper on the DVD and then tracing the design using black outliner. Here I'm mixing two shades to make another shade. Like you can make purple shade by mixing blue and pink color. Mix yellow and red color to make orange color. After filling the colors, I let it dry for some time, and after that I'm cutting the wings using pair of scissors. In the similar way, I cut out all the designs. Now to make sticks, I am using thick GI wire so that they can stand on their own, and cut them in different sizes and paint them with different acrylic colors. Now to make body of the butterfly, I am using MC and mixing the two parts. After mixing, taking a portion out of it and rolling in the shape of body of the butterfly and sticking it to the wire like so. Now attaching the wings to its body. For making antenna of the butterfly, I am using thin GI wire and twisting the wire in the shape of antenna and attaching it to its head. painting antenna using black acrylic color, and this completes our cute butterfly. In the similar way, I make more of them and let it dry for some time. You can decorate your pots and garden lawn using these ornaments. I put all of them in one pot just to show you how they look together, and this is the final look. If you love this idea, don't forget to share your valuable feedbacks and subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.